Hello students, today in class 10th maths, let us take chapter pair of linear equations into variables and their exercise questions. तो एक्सरसाइज के कुछ हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इनटू वेरिएबल से। तो आपको हमने इसके पहले हम बता चुके हैं कि व्हाट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ गिवन पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इनटू वेरिएबल्स। कंडीशन ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी गिवन पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इनटू वेरिएबल्स equations, if equations is linear equations is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, if it gives a unique solution, that is if a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, it means pair of linear equations give unique solution. This condition is consistent. It is consistent. The pair of linear equations are consistent. Second condition, if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, then pair of linear equations gives infinitely many solutions. This is also condition of consistency. मतलब this condition is consistent. Third condition, if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, then the given pair of linear equations gives no solution. This condition is inconsistent. तो इसी पर हम एक्सरसाइज 3.2 से एक दो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं। 3.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर है हमारा 5th पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd। क्वेश्चंस है कंपेयरिंग द रेशियोज a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, given linear pair of linear equations are consistent. Which pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? तो क्वेश्चन हमारा 5th पार्ट 4/3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. तो given equations are, this is given equations are now 4/3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. This is first linear equation into variable. Now we compare it a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. On comparing, a1 is equal to 4 upon 3, b1 is equal to 2 and c1 is equal to minus 8. Coefficient of x in both the equation, here a1, here 4/3, therefore a1 equal to 4/3. Coefficients of y, here b1, here 2, b1 equal to 2, constant term c1 equal to minus 8. Now we take second equation, 2x, second equation 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. This is second linear equation into variables. Now we compare this equation by a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. On comparing, when we compare these two equations, we have a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 3 and c2 equal to minus 12. Now we find the ratios a1 upon a2. A1 upon A2 is equal to A1 here 4 by 3 upon 2. 4 by 3 divided by 2. 2 by 1 it becomes 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. 2 to the 4. Therefore A1 upon A2 equal to 2 by 3. Now we have B1 upon B2. This ratio is clear. B1 2 and B2 3. B1 upon B2 2 by 3. Now C1 upon C2. Minus 8 upon minus 12. तो minus cancel out, 4 to the 8, 4 3 the is also 2 by 3. It is clear from the ratios. ये जो ratios हैं इनसे clear है A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. Each ratio is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, the given pair of linear equations gives infinitely many solutions. Hence, it is consistent. So we can write here hence we have A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2 equal to 2 by 3. And given pairs of linear equations, given pairs linear equations are consistent. Okay. Now we take another question. Now let us take another question. Question 4th, second part. Second part of question number 4th. You have given following pair of linear equation which is consistent or inconsistent. If it is consistent, then solve it by graphical method. You have given pair of linear equations. You have to show which is consistent or not consistent or inconsistent. If it is consistent, then solve it by graphical method. Okay, we have a question. X minus y equal to 8. Given pair of linear equations 3x minus 3y. Minus 3y is equal to 16. So given equations can be written as x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. On comparing this equation by general form of linear equation in two variables, we have a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So we compare these two equations. On comparing we have a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to minus 1 and c1 is equal to minus 8. Now second linear equation in two variables 3x minus 3y minus 16 equal to 0. This the question equation third. Comparing this equation by general form of linear equation in two variables a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Comparing these two equations, we have a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to minus 3 and c2 equal to minus 16. We have values coefficient of x a2 equal to 3, coefficients of y b2 equal to minus 3, constant terms a1 here 1, b1 equal to -1 and constant term c1 equal to -8. Now we find the ratios a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2 becomes 1 by 3. b1 upon b2 becomes -1 upon -3 equal to 1 by 3. Minus cancel out minus. Now c1 upon c2 -8 upon 6 minus 16. Minus cancel out minus 8 1 by 8 2 the 16 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2. ये दोनों वैल्यू सेम है, नॉट इक्वल टू c1 upon c2. देखिए इक्वल नहीं है. Hence given pair of linear equations represents ये an inconsistent condition. This is the condition when given pair of linear equation have no solution. Hence it is consistent. Hence students, you see a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. ये ratios हमने आपको शो किया है. This is the condition of given pair of linear equation have no solutions, hence it is inconsistent condition. Thank you students.